What I'm trying to tell you is kinship issue. You know, it's very crucial. My name is Senator MC Umeh. As we are talking now, that is a crazy outcome. It's a trash. I don't think the people who are doing this thing are part of us. I don't think so. Some marketers are into it now, and some producers. Somebody has told me, one marketer told me about this, and I told him he should count me out of it. I don't like it, and it's not, nobody likes it, except those of them who are in the same line with them. That's the work of devil. Yeah? Devil likes, brings in certain things people would like to watch or do in order to deceive them from what they're supposed to be. My candid advice to them is, if they really want to become artists, not that type of line. It's nonsense. It's a thing of, catastrophe. It's not good. So if they want to, anyone who wants to join movie should join movie in the right direction and where it should be. Because they are luring all these upcomers into such, which is not good. And God is not happy about it. He will be happy.
Action.
Okay.
Action.
Okay.
Huh? I'm rolling up. Yeah, but I'm